Joins me now, the man himself. You said earlier this week that we were in the calm before the storm. That was earlier this week. All right, it's Friday. Is this the storm?
It is, Stuart, and what this confirms is the Fed is going to have to force a recession to get inflation down. This is what we've been warning about. This is why we have not been fully invested all year, and investors need to take this serious. Trying to pick a bottom in this type of environment is dangerous, and I don't think we're anywhere close to a bottom. So they need to take these opportunities to protect their hard-earned capital before it gets a lot worse.
Why do you think we're nowhere near the bottom?
Well, Stuart, if you think about all this money that went in the system over the last 2 years, created, in my opinion, one of the largest bubbles of our lifetime. And now they have to unwind the balance sheet, which means these bubbles are going to be popping one by one, and it's already happening. It happened in crypto first. It's down 50%. NASDAQ's down over 30 from its high, and you're going to start seeing the larger cap plays do that. This market has to reset to where it was prior before we can move forward. So that means we need to be down at a minimum of 30% in the S&P, in my opinion, before we can even think about being close to a bottom. And lastly, the VIX has been so keen. You do not have a market bottom when you have so much complacency. So VIX is going to 40. We're going down at least 30+% in my opinion, and investors need to protect their capital.
So what's the time frame here? If you say we're going down at least 30% on the S&P, I think we're down about 20% now. When's this over? When are we looking at the other side of this?
So I think the summer is going to be the worst part of this market. As I said on Wednesday, we've told clients, and it's hard to predict, but if our best estimate right now, fourth quarter or late third quarter, is when we're going to start nibbling back into this market, because I think the Fed is going to prove everyone wrong, and they're going to continue to tighten into this slowdown. It is a big, big mistake, but they're going to do it, and it's going to cause markets to really tumble.
All right, Eddie Gabor, you've been right so far, certainly in this cycle, and we appreciate you being here. And thanks very much for jumping on the show at such short notice.